Welcome to CAD station. Today we are going to draw this model. Here is the model. So let's start. I am going to select for front plane sketch. Now first command is slot from origin to downward. First make one slot, then make another slot but its radius different. Now escape, select line, join these ends from here to here, escape. Now trim entities, trim this one and this one. Okay, now next is mentioning dimension. Its difference is 26, height is 70. Height is 70, gap is from this line to this line is 26. Okay. Oh, one more thing, Control Z. First of all, make line here, take line, make from here to here, escape. Now mention it as 26. Wait a minute. Okay, we can make this dimension as, first click here, delete this dimension. Its radius should be 13, so it's done. And now next is the outer radius is 33, so this one is off, 33. Okay, now it's done. Next is to extrude. We have to extrude up to 60 mm. So first trim this one and this one, escape. Now extrude boss base. I have to extrude 60, so mention here as 60. Okay, now click here. This U shape is done. Next is this left and right hand sides. This is 144. It's mean from center to this, and is distance is 72. Let's calculate, or we can directly mention. First of all, take it as normal. Now next is reference geometry, plane. For reference plane, first select right plane, then flip offset, and this distance is 144 by 2. Let's see, 144 by 2. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, Control 8. Wait, this extrude is, yeah, we have done something here. Now it's okay. Reference geometry, again plane. For reference, select right plane, and it's 72 by default. Here is 72. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, Control 8. Now you are drawing like here, so first you have to make this rectangle. Similarly, I just choose corner rectangle. From here to here I make a rectangle. Now smart dimension, look, it's 70 mm above and 30 mm its height, 70 and 13. First it's 13, from here to here is 70. Okay, next is take it as, mention here as 7 or 6. It should be 6. to take it as here to here is 6. Okay, you can see it's 48, so let's confirm it. Yeah, it's 48. Okay, now next is we have to extrude it up to the our U shaped part. So features, extrude, we have two options. First of all, make it as reverse direction. You can see this extrude is going on the body. If I simply reduce it, it will be done, but the proper way is from this drop down, select um, up to the next. It will cover up to the next body. It's done. Now next is select this plane and right click, hide. This is sharp edge. We have to flit it. Select flit this edge and this edge of 10 mm radius. Okay, next is we have to draw these two holes. So select this plane, sketch, control 8. We have to make two holes. Circle, simply make one circle, two circle, escape. Press Ctrl and select both circles and make relation equal. And okay, now next is you can see this is 30 millimeters apart. So a smart dimension from center to center is 30 mm. Okay, next is this hole is of 12 mm. This is of 12 mm, and to take DM at the mid, just mention here to here dimension as it should be, I think 9 or 10. Let's check. 9. From here to here is 9. Okay, it's done. And one more thing, the distance from this U shape, let's calculate as it's 106. So from here to here, 106 by 2 to divide it. Okay, it's done. Now simply go to features, extrude cut, through all or blind or through all, you can select anyone. It's done. Now next is this part is done. We have to mirror it on the left side. So mirror, for reference plane, select right plane, and features to mirror this one. Okay, now next is you can simply mirror these two more. Mirror right plane, this extrude cut, and let's check flit is going to be or not. It's asking it's only going to be 1 by 1. So okay, delete this flit. Okay, you can again go to mirror and flit it. I am going to direct flit this edge and this edge. Okay, now these things are done. Two things are remaining, this backside part and this cut. So I'm going to take my back position of the U-shape part, control 8. Now take it right this, it's here is a circle, or you can say hole of radius 10, radius diameter 12 hole and radius 10. So simply sketch from select circle, from here straight, make one circle, two circle. Okay, line from here to the U shape straight down. Now from this point to straight to the U shaped and escape. Now next is mentioning dimension. Smart dimension. Outer one is of radius 10, so its dia will be 20. The inner one dia should be 12. Okay, now escape, select this point and this origin and make relation vertical. Okay, for mentioning height, its height is, look, it's 123 from the bottom. So if I minus the radius, so it should be 113. Smart dimension from here to here is smart dimension. From center to here is 113 mm. Now okay, zoom it, trim entities, we have to trim this part, and now it's done. Features, extrude. It's asking to select contours, so select this contour. It's going backside, so reverse direction, and its thickness is, look, it's showing 10 mm. Mention here as 10 mm, and okay, it's done. Now the last thing we have is here is a cut. For this cut, I'm going to first reference geometry. Wait, let's see. The total height from here to here should be 70 plus 33, 103. So I'm going to take plane, top plane, to at a distance of 33. Look, it's touching the top. Okay, now sketch, control 8, simply select center rectangle, find the center. Okay, find its center. Now where it's coincide is coinciding, make a rectangle. Smart dimension, its dimension is here is 26 and here 12. This one is of 26. From here to here is 12. Okay, now next is we have a hole here of same, select circle. One more thing, select this one and press Ctrl, select origin and make as vertical, so it should be on the center. Now circle from the center of the rectangle, its dimension is 12 mm dia, and now it's done. Features, now extrude cut up to, look, it's showing the depth is 4 mm, so the depth should be 4 mm, and okay. The last thing, select this plane, height, select this circle, select this circle, extrude cut. Okay, select this circle, sketch, it's not showing the sketch. Look, this one, sketch, convert entities. This is okay, no problem. Now again go to this plane sketch. Okay, and in this circle find the center point. Here is a center point. Make a circle. Okay, make a circle. Write this. Take top view. Now smart dimension, make it as of 12 mm. Okay, and now features, extrude cut and cut through all. Now it's done. It's isometric view. Look, it's done. Now you can change its appearance. Go to appearance, select this. Okay, let's first select this hole. Select all the holes. Select this hole, this one, this one, this one, and the last one. These all holes. Go to appearance and change its appearance as green. Okay, the other bodies, or you can simply remain it as it is. Perspective, you can change spotlight or no. No, it's right. I think it's looking good. Now here's the here's our part which we have made. Hope you will like the tutorial. Share to your friends and also subscribe to CAD Station. If you are watching on YouTube, then subscribe, and if you are watching on Facebook, then like the CAD Station page. Thank you.